In this video, I'm going to show some examples of how to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. On question 1, I'm trying to find the improper fraction that is equivalent to 3 3/4. And I've got a picture here that I'm going to use just to illustrate the process of changing mixed numbers to improper fractions. So I've got 4 holes. I'm going to split each hole into fourths. And then I'm going to go ahead and shade 3 holes. There's 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and then 3/4 of the last one. So there we go. So what I'm looking for is how many fourths 3 3/4 is equal to. I'm just going to go through the picture here and label all of the fourths. So I got 4 fourths, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 fourths. So there's my answer A. Now if I go back and look at this picture, I can see that in each hole I have 4 fourths. And then in the last one I have 3/4. If I look at the mixed number now, 3 3/4, each one of these 3 holes, each one of those 3 holes had 4 fourths. So what I was really doing was doing 3 holes times 4 fourths, which gives me 12 fourths. And if I look over here, I can see that I have 12 fourths all combined. Then I also had 3/4 just out to the side. That represented this part right here. What I did then was I took each hole right here, I multiplied it by the denominator because the denominator tells me how many parts a hole has in it. So 3 holes times 4 fourths gives me 12 fourths right here. And then I needed to add the 3/4 that was the fraction that was next to the whole number. So altogether 15 fourths. On question 2, I have 5 1/10. So I have 5 holes. Each of those holes has 10 tenths in it, so I'm going to do 5 times 10 tenths. The denominator tells me that the hole has 10 tenths in it. That gives me 50 tenths, plus the 1 more tenth that I have right here, which is 51 tenths. I can always check my answer by dividing 51 divided by 10, and I should get back to the mixed number that I started with. Question 3 is 3 15 28. So in each one of these 3 holes, I have 28 28. So I need to do 28 times 3, which is 84. 84 28 just in the 3 holes, plus the 15 28 that's in the fraction, which gives me 99 28, which is A. In question 4, 5 7 44 in the 5 holes. There are 44 44 in each hole. So I need to do 44 times 5 to find out how many there are in 5 holes. That's 220 44 in 5 holes, plus the 7 44 in the fraction. Altogether, that's 227 44.